Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through pairing your motorized roller shade with the Motion Blinds Bluetooth app. Before we begin, download the Motion Blinds Bluetooth app from the App Store or Google Play Store by scanning the appropriate QR code for your device. Once the app is downloaded, open it. Next, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner to add a new shade. Then select the shade type you want to connect to the app. For this tutorial, select the roller shade icon. Now, tap the Scan Setup Code button below the QR icon. If prompted, tap Allow to give the app access to your camera so you can scan the QR code on the shade. Now, position the box overlaid on your screen over the small QR code located on the dongle hanging from your roller shade near the motor's USB-C charging port. After the app pairs with your shade, it will prompt you to name the shade. To make it easier to identify, choose a name that best fits the room and window position. Once you are done, tap the Done button in the top right corner. When you are brought to the next blind setup page, tap the Done button in the top right corner, again to return to the main page. You should now see your added shade on the main page. Next, tap the icon for the shade you just added. Once you are in the shade settings, you can check the battery level in the top right corner. You can also view the current position of the shade as a percentage below the shade icon. By dragging the position slider, you can easily adjust the height of the shade. Once you're done, tap the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the main page.